Hello everyone, welcome to Fxercise channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get bigger arms at home without using weights. Many people believe you need weights to build muscle, but that's not the case. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you some practical bodyweight exercises that will help you get bigger arms without the need for any equipment. Let's get started. If you want to get bigger arms at home without weights, here are some outline points to consider. Bodyweight exercises. Utilize exercises that use your body weight as resistance, such as push-ups, dips, and chin-ups. These exercises are highly effective in building muscle and strength in your arms. Resistance band exercises. Resistance bands are a convenient and affordable way to add resistance to your arm exercises. You can use them for various arm exercises, including bicep curls, tricep extensions, and shoulder presses. Isometric exercises. Isometric exercises involve holding a static position for a set amount of time. They are great for building strength and muscle without the use of weights. Examples include wall squats, planks, and isometric push-ups. High-intensity interval training, HIIT. HIIT workouts involve short bursts of intense activity followed by periods of rest. This type of workout is excellent for overall fitness and can help build muscle in your arms. Progressive overload. To continue making progress and see results, it's important to increase the difficulty of your exercises over time gradually. This can be done by adding reps, increasing the amount of time you hold a static position, or adding resistance with a resistance band. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to building muscle. Stick to a routine and be patient, as results won't happen overnight. It's also important to listen to your body and not push yourself too hard, as this can lead to injury. In conclusion, getting bigger arms at home without weights is possible. The key is consistency and proper technique. Various exercises can be done, such as push-ups, pull-ups, chin-ups, dips, and bodyweight squats, among others. It's important to have a well-rounded workout routine that targets different muscle groups and progressively increases the difficulty of the exercises to continue building strength and size. Remember to take breaks and listen to your body, and most importantly, have fun and enjoy.